Hey guys, this is the line dance Honky Tonk Badonkadonk. We're going to walk through it step by step with you, and hopefully you'll be able to do this on Wednesday nights with us. So you're going to start off with a triple step at a diagonal angle to your right. So you're going to take your left foot and you're going to do a cha-cha right behind you. You're going to go 1, 2, and then you're going to kick, you're going to scuff your left heel and swing it out. So it's going to look like this. And then you're going to do another triple to your left at an angle. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to scuff your right heel, swing it out, but this time when you land, you're going to pick your left foot up with it. So it'll look like if we're right back here and we scuff, then pick the left up and step in front. After that, you're kind of kneeling, and when you stand back up, you're going to clap and then slide, and then you're going to shake. Right foot over left, and turn around, do a 180, and then slide again, and shake one more time, and then put your right foot over your left again, do a 180. After you do your second 180, you're going to stomp and clap, and then stomp and clap twice. Then you're going to step right, left, and then step with your right, and pivot, do a 180. And after that, you're going to pick your right foot up, and you're going to start over with your shuffle, swinging your leg out, and go from there.